Okay, instructions on how to reassemble my Sunbeam water cooler. This portion goes on the top. This is what the jug sits on. And I have the rings in order about how that they will be assembled. And then this is what the jug sits on when it's inside. So the first thing we're going to do is take this ring here and set it on here. And you can see that there's little notches for it to lock into place. Okay. And then you're going to put the ring, this rubber ring, around this part of the tube. Make sure that this end is facing upward. This ring is going to go around here like this, so make sure that the flap, you got the thicker part facing up again. Just put it on. I'm trying to do this one-handed. And then you're going to face this down. This is going face down, and you're going to push it in to kind of lock it in. Then this here which has the rubber piece that we took off earlier when I cleaned it. Right there, you're going to just put that back down around there, and you're going to just put this on top of here, and you're going to screw that in. So then here, this is what it's going to look like when it's done. And then you're going to put it on top of your cooler, line up the notches, and snap it on.